Thank you to the Government Affairs Committee for hosting this forum. It's important to dispel some of the falsities my opponent is resting on. First, I am not qualified to handle death penalty cases, but it's not from lack of desire or effort on my part. The last opportunity in Elko County to become death qualified was in the year 2000, 20 years ago, and 10 years before I became a practicing attorney. But more importantly, ADKT 411, an order from the Nevada Supreme Court filed July 23, 2015, forbids Rural Public Defender's Office from handling death penalty cases. It specifically says the State Public Defender's Office shall handle all death penalty cases and appeals in rural counties, except that the counties may provide counsel to non-contract fees. Even if I was death qualified, even if I was the most qualified attorney, that rule still prohibits my office from taking those cases. If anyone is costing the county hundreds of thousands of dollars based on these death penalty cases, it's the woman sitting next to me because she is not complying with ADKT 411. Secondly, Judge Porter is soft on crime, as we've seen on countless occasions, and that is nobody's fault but hers. Yes, there are cases that are mandatory probation, but for the vast majority of crimes, the judge has the ultimate say as to sentence. She's not required to follow anybody's sentencing recommendation. Her long history of leniency on sentencing is endangering this community. This is one of the many reasons why law enforcement endorses me. Law enforcement is the only endorsement I've sought because it's important that endorsements come from individuals and organizations that actually know what's going on in the court system. Third, I am qualified. Nevada Revised Statute 3.060 sets the qualifications for district court judges, and I meet every single one of them. While the vast majority of my experience is in criminal law, I have experience in other areas. I currently manage 12 employees, a $1.7 million budget, and 1,500 new cases a year. The law is something that can be learned. Drive, determination, and efficiency are characteristics that are not learned. I can relearn the rules of civil procedure. In 8 years, she's proven that she can't learn efficiency and work ethic. The Nevada Supreme Court has recently ordered her to handle a case that had been lagging in her court for years. Experience alone does not mean you're good at your job. When I'm elected, the community's safety will be my primary goal. I will work tirelessly to bring efficiency back to this court. Vote Kriston Hill, the conservative choice. Vote Kriston Hill, the choice of law enforcement.